Introduction. Time is as precious as money to us. It is often said that time is money, and this is certainly true when it comes to our personal and professional lives. The value of time can never be underestimated, and it is important to make the most of every minute we have. The value of time. Time is something that can never be replaced or recovered once it is gone. We can never get back the time that has passed, and this is why it is so important to be mindful of how we use it. Every moment is an opportunity to do something meaningful, to improve our lives or to help others. Time management. The key to maximizing the value of our time is to manage it effectively. This means setting aside specific times of the day to focus on particular tasks and to ensure that we are not wasting time on activities that are not productive. Planning ahead and setting goals can help us to make the most of our time. Making the most of time. One of the best ways to make the most of our time is to focus on the present moment. We should strive to be mindful of the time we have and to make the most of it. This means taking the time to enjoy life's simple pleasures, such as spending time with family and friends or just taking a few moments to relax. Conclusion. The value of time is something that cannot be underestimated. We should be mindful of the time we have and to make the most of it. Through effective time management, and by focusing on the present moment, we can ensure that we make the most of our time.